Hello guys! Welcome sa Ed's Dance and Food Channel. Exercise para lahat po ay makasama. It's very important to do it regularly. But if you are a beginner like me, make it simple, easy to do. So you need to do it almost every day as much as possible. You do your exercise. But in the beginning, if you are just doing it for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, then you do it every day. But if you're doing an advance, like 1 hour or 2 hours advance, 30 minutes na lang.
Yung labahin kasi hindi ko makuha.
Okay, I'll get it for you. Sandali lang po. I'll get it. Good morning! Hello everyone! It's Thursday. Welcome to Ed's Mondia Live Dance Workout and Meeting Friends. Alright? So it's Thursday morning in the Philippines. I hope that you're having a great time. And I know everyone is busy nowadays. So we have work to do. We have things to attend to, but live stream for those who would like to work out with me. Yeah. Okay, so I will begin with the warm-up. So let me put on some music for the warm-up. Hello. Time for our warm-up. Time for our warm-up. Do we need some more lights? Okay. So we need some more lights. Get ready for the warm-up. So we begin with our head. Okay, turn to the side, at the back, to the other side, and next. And done. I don't have the music yet. Forget the music. Let's see. Do we have volume here? Don't have a volume. Don't have the volume. Okay, so next is on the other side. The other side, the back. Okay. Go to our shoulder. Squeeze our shoulder blades. Our waist. And the other side of the waist. The waistline. Okay, for the meantime, for a while. I can't find the other one. Do some jog. Jog in place. Jog in place. Keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. So, pleasant morning for everyone. Thursday, pleasant morning. Yahoo! So, shake your hips, right to left. While I'm communicating with some of our friends. Okay? Right and left. Right and left. Hands up. hands up, 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 hands up. Woo. Hands up. Inhale, exhale. Okay, you're doing great. Left and right, left and right, left and right. Do the twist. The other side. Do the twist. With a clap. With a clap. Whew. Some more dance. Dancing is a good exercise, guys. So just move your body to the beat. Even if you don't know how to dance, just shake your body like that. So, and enjoy the music. Of course, don't force yourself. You know your endurance. So if you're gasping for breath, you take it slowly. Do some walking like that. Just walk in place. Okay. Teka, basa-basa rin. Basa-basa rin. Kung merong pagkakataon. Alright.
Nice.
Jumping jack ako. Bilisan ko na.
Nice.